There we go. Alright. Hello, puffy cheeks. Scruffy. There we go. Alright. Enjoy. It's that time of year again where you only start to get one egg per day. You know, I wish we got a lot more, but this is what happens, because it's fall time. Yeah, we have a lot of old chickens too. We have, I think one of them is like 5, almost 7, 6 or 7 years old. Oh, we have a couple more that are like, maybe 4 or 5, so we have a lot of old chickens, but at least we still get some eggs. Alright, still doing the chores, just give them some water. Those buckets need to be cleaned out, so I gotta do that pretty soon. Alright, Scruffy, where'd you go? There you are. I didn't even see you. Alright. Recently, I haven't been cleaning out the water buckets, but I need to stay on top of that, so I'm gonna have to probably go clean those out. I'll probably do it tomorrow morning. You want to do full, half? I'll do full. Oh boy, there's a kink in the hose. Gotta fix that. I wonder if you guys can hear that. That will do. As soon as I come back over here, the water got knocked out. Wow, you know what? Those are worse than expected. I'm going to go ahead and clean those out right now. Here we go. Is that a lot better for you guys? What do you think? Scruffy's opinion is coming up next. Nah. But yeah, so cleaned out the water buckets. I fed them. Let's see. Put fresh water in the water buckets. Alright, Scruffy, what do you think else I need to do? Nothing? I think after that, all I need to do is close them up. And I did collect the eggs, by the way. After that, all I need to do is close them up, and we're pretty good. We have a chicken fight going on. She sticks her neck out like that. Now she just... She was frightened Puffy Cheeks. I told Puffy Cheeks to stay away from her, but she never listens. Nope. Alright, so I already see one chicken went up. And then we have Puffy Cheeks' twin is right here. Yeah. My thoughts exactly. What do you think? Okay. She said subscribe. What'd you say? Huh? Can you say it again? No? Alright. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.